Welcome to our AWS tutorial. In this tutorial you are going to learn how can you upload any CSV or JSON file in Amazon RedShift Serverless data warehouse. So to do this activity you must have one active AWS account, active Amazon RedShift Serverless. So guys, please stay tuned with this video and have a lot of fun. So here I'm going to my Amazon RedShift. I have already created this serverless data warehouse. So in this data warehouse you must have active namespace. So for this demo I have a default namespace, and in this namespace you must have a default work group. If you want to upload any file, any CSV file, any JSON file, so there is a option query data. You have to click on this, then it will open a RedShift query editor for you. So here you can see there are some databases like AWS data catalog. It is especially for the catalog purpose. Then dev, then sample underscore data underscore dev. For this demo I have created a new database, that is demo -db underscore rs. So there is two options. You can upload your data from the S3 bucket, or you can upload your data from your local storage or your local system as well. So in this case we are going to choose this option as well. You have to ensure that your serverless default workgroup must be aligned with a staging bucket from S3. So to align with your staging bucket, go to the settings section, and in the account settings section you can see there are some options like connection settings, maximum concurrent connections. By default it is 3. Okay, export setting. If you want to download your data or export your data in CSV or JSON format, then you have to choose this option. For this demo purpose I have already chosen this option. Then general setting. If you want to work with sample databases, then you have to choose this option. Then S3 bucket. For this demo purpose I have already created a staging bucket in S3 area. So you can see here, that is S3 demo under hyphen staging storage. So you have to map your RedShift serverless with your staging bucket. Go back to the query window. Okay, now you have to upload a CSV file. So here for this demo purpose I have a employee info data. In this data set you can see I have employee ID, name, city, country, age, department and salary. I want to upload this data in my database in RedShift serverless. So I am moving to my main window. In RedShift query editor you can see there is an option load data. Here you can see there is an option load from S3 bucket, load from local files. So we are going to choose our file from local files, and we are going to browse our file like, and here you can see the file format, file options like JSON, delimiter, fixed width, shape file, avro, parquet, orc, and our delimiter character is comma. Ignore header in first row and click on next. Once you are going to click it, then here you can see it is going to be display all the schema of your data file like column name, data type, encoding, and here I am going to choose schema is public and the table name is tbl underscore. So I am going to pick this name from the file name. Okay, so here you can choose the primary key, unique key, not null, automatically, and then there is an option restore to default, cancel or create. So first of all we have to create this table, that is tbl employee. Our table has been created. You can see the database, public, our schema, and tbl employee info like this. Now after creating your table, you have to load your data. Loading data from a local file succeed. Now go to your database, in your schema, in your table, then you can see the table tbl underscore employee underscore info has been created, and select table. Now run this query. Now you can see employee ID, name, city, country, age, department, and salary. All columns are available in your table and the data inside these columns. So we have choose the export option, so you can see here like JSON or CSV. If you want to export this data, you can do this. So guys, you can see it is very easy to upload any file into RedShift Serverless database. If you have any question, any doubt, we are here to help you. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.